Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn, in this session we are going to see how to install owncloud on our Raspberry Pi 4 easy way. But before we move to our practical friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you. So let's start. I have here a steps which I have mentioned in my notepad. I will also mention these steps inside my description box. You have to just copy and paste inside your terminal. Okay, so open it the terminal. First friends, of course we need to update and upgrade our packages, which I have already updated. Okay, you have to just run the command sudo apt-update. After that sudo apt-upgrade. Okay, now we are going to first install etcd package. Okay, as you can see, etcd package. So sudo apt install etcd and just hit enter. It will install etcd package. Okay, click on yes, and as you can see our package is installing. Okay, so we have installed the package, but we have got here a error. Okay friends, so we have to edit the /etc/default/etcd file, and end at the file we have to add this code line. Okay, so we are going to edit our file using nano editor. Sudo nano /etc/default and our file etcd, just hit enter and come to the end of the file. Okay, and here we have to copy this line, copy it and paste inside /etc/default/etcd at the end. Okay, now Ctrl X, Y, enter and save the file. Again we are going to run our command sudo apt install etcd, then just hit enter. Y for yes, enter it. And friends, as you can see, in this time we have successfully installed our etcd package. Okay, now we are going to download our Linux ARM package. Okay, OCIS Linux ARM package from download.owncloud.com. So simply we are going to copy the link. Okay, copy the link, open the terminal, and we are going to run the command sudo and just paste that link and just hit enter. Now it will download the package. Okay friends, so it's downloading. Meanwhile I will pause the video. So friends, we have successfully downloaded our package. If I run the command ls, and as you can see we have our package. Okay, now we have to give the permission. So sudo chmod 755 and our package name is ./ocis. Just press tab, it will come the package. Okay, now just hit enter. Now again I run the command ls. As you can see, we have successfully changed our permission, package permission. Okay, now we want to restart our etcd service. So simply sudo space /etc/init.d/etcd restart. Okay, then just hit enter. Now our service is restart. Now we want to create a script. Okay, so sudo nano, you can give any name. I will give here a Freedom Tech name. Okay, you can give any name, Freedom Tech.sh. okay, this is what our extension, this is what the bash file. Sudo space nano space Freedom Tech name.sh, just hit enter and copy the code from here. Copy it, open terminal and paste inside your file freedomtech.sh. In your case it may be of course different. Okay, Ctrl X, Y, enter and save it. Okay, also again friends, give the full permission for this file also. Okay, this is what our file, so we want to give the permission. So sudo chmod 755. Okay, our file name is freedomtech.sh. Okay, now we are going to run the file sudo space dot slash freedomtech.sh. Just hit enter. I am going to minimize this, and this is what our terminal. Okay, so our process is completed. Now friends, we have to open this link inside our terminal. This link https raspberry pi 9200 is the port. Copy the link, open your browser and paste in the browser that link and just hit enter. Okay, here click on advanced, proceed to Raspberry Pi, and as you can see friends, we have successfully logged in inside the owncloud. So username is admin and password is also admin. And as you can see, we have now redirecting and we have now login. Okay, now friends, just click on new and click on new folder, and we can create our new folder freedom tech and just create it. And as you can see, we have now created our new folder. Okay, so you can create your new folder. You can just upload your folder files from your Raspberry Pi. I hope you will learn something from this video and you also install owncloud with this method. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.